How to connect Claude AI into Roblox Studio. In this very quick video, I'll show you how you can connect your Claude AI app onto your Roblox Studio software. It's very, very easy. So first things first, before doing the steps, you need to make sure that you have downloaded both the application, such as the Roblox Studio, and as well as the application version of Claude. Now we're going to have to process everything first onto Roblox Studio. Now you need to be onto the experience that you're trying to create, like this. Then what you want to need to do is to click this link or to click this icon here. That's going to be your AI assistant, and then there's going to be a small box that will pop out below. So let's just expand this. Now once you have this, go into this three dots and then choose on Manage MCP Servers. From here, choose on Setup Instructions, and then from the JSON configuration, click this copy button. Once you click that, it will automatically be copied. Now go into your Claude AI software, go into the three lines at the upper left, go to File, and then Settings. From Settings, choose on Developer at your left side, choose on Edit Config. Now it will automatically be selected with this file right here. You just need to right click it, hover your mouse into open with, and then choose another app. And you're going to have to open this as a notepad. Now, Control A on your keyboard, and then just simply paste the MCP server that you just copied from Roblox. Save this, then close everything. You go back into your Roblox Studio, and then what you want to have to do here is to reset the application by closing everything and try reopening it. And that's it. That's how you connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio.